Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital asset management a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Cardano from Tangem Wallet to Trust Wallet, 2025. If you're holding Cardano on your secure Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to the user-friendly Trust Wallet for easier access, you're in the right place. This process is quick and secure, but always double-check your steps to avoid any mishaps. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need your Tangem wallet connected to your device via its app, and Trust Wallet installed on your phone. Start by opening the Tangem Wallet app on your device. Navigate to your Cardano holdings. Look for the ADA token in your portfolio. Once you're there, select the amount you want to transfer. Remember, only send what you need to keep your assets diversified. Next, generate or copy your Trust Wallet's Cardano receiving address. Open Trust Wallet, go to the Cardano section, and tap on Receive. This will display a unique QR code and address. Save this somewhere safe, like in your Notes app. Now, head back to Tangem Wallet. In the Send function, paste the Trust Wallet address or scan the QR code if possible. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to send, and review the transaction fees. In 2025, Cardano's network might have updated fee structures, so keep an eye on that for efficiency. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll need to verify it on your Tangem hardware device for added security. Enter your PIN if prompted. Sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And just like that, your Cardano should appear in your Trust Wallet. Finally, always verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Cardano Scan to ensure everything went smoothly. That's it for today's guide. Transferring crypto doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.